Oh man.
Oh man.
Oh man.
Oh man.
Oh man. Say hi. Oh man.
Oh man. Oh man.
Oh man.
Oh man.
Can you say Colin?
Cooking.
Colin?
Okay.
Colin. And who else is your brother?
Yeah.
Say Nathan.
Nathan.
Say and Mommy.
Mommy.
Daddy.
Daddy.
And Lexi.
Lexi. Dada.
And who are you?
Dada.
Is this Evan?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say bye.
Bye.
Can you fist bump?